What's going on YouTube? It's your boy the real J3RT and I'm back with another video, man. As you can see, I'm currently parked at the gas station. Man, look, I'm sitting in this car low-key sad, bro. I ain't gonna lie, cause I think I might need a new transmission, new drive shaft or something, man. It hurts my heart, but I ain't gonna lie, cause I literally, if y'all take a look at my Instagram, the real J3RT is the same as my name. You take a look, you see I literally just put on the 6.4 manifold. Like I literally just put some money into this car and now I have to put money into it again. So I gotta have it towed and everything, bro. And it hurt my heart. I'm not without a car, you know what I'm saying? Thankfully, I thought to excuse my language. I hate cursing, y'all, but luckily y'all thought to get the little Monte Carlo I had before this fixed. But man, they got it on bags. I thought they don't know what the they was doing. Excuse me for cursing again, but I'm really disappointed. They literally pulled the bumper because it was lowered, bro. And I told them it was lowered. He said, cool, I know how to do this. I put trust in IDOT. Y'all can see, look at the damages, see what they did. I just happened to have pushed this forward, but they really did a number on this car, man, this front bumper. So now I got to get a whole new bumper, rewrapping and everything, because they didn't know what they was doing. This car literally wouldn't stop. What I had to do, was lift this up right here and pull this fuse to turn the engine off, because this motherfucker ain't on. Excuse me for cursing again. But bro, this suck ass, man. For real, my heart is hurt, man. I don't know what to do right now. I told me that coming, but you see, I done opened up all my stuff, man. Was just on the way to work. I literally am right down the street. Look at this. Had to open this up because I did the neutral switch block. You feel me? There's just a lot going on. The car wouldn't shift into gear, wouldn't shift in the neutral part. Hold on, let me calm down so I can tell y'all the story. So I pretty much was driving normal, how every normal person would. You know what I'm saying? I was tapping the gas a little bit. Mind you, I have pop tunes, so it does kind of delay the trans or whatever the case is for it to pop, I guess. I don't know. But I'm driving like your average Mopar driver. And then all you hear is a boom. Something just started rolling. It sounded like my tires was out. My tires wasn't getting the gas it was supposed to. So I had pulled over, slowed the car down, ended up on the side of the road. I look under the car, transmission fluid leaking out the back. So, mind you, I'm starting to think maybe the differential went out, which I'm hoping that's the case. I hope the differential went out because now we have an excuse to put the 3.09 differential in right away. The transmission did not want to shift. It was acting all crazy and boggy. You know what I'm saying? It didn't want to shift in the park. I probably said it already. Didn't want to shift in anything. So I pulled all this stuff out. Got my screwdriver, tried to open the trunk, couldn't use that. Had to buy a screwdriver from the gas station. Got all this stuff open just to find out I can't even pull the neutral switch anyway. So if y'all thinking about pulling my little neutral switch, it don't even work. So you're going to jail. You're going to jail. I'm low-key hurt, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not mad, you know what I'm saying? But I'm mad because I was on the way to work. Like this, it picked a crazy time to happen. But we're gonna get this fixed, man. I'm not worried, I'm not crying, I'm not tripping over it, you know what I'm saying? I got a lot of things going on that needs to be rectified. It's about time for me to find a new crib with an actual garage. I got the job to where I can fix this stuff. It's just a halt into the process, and there's a lot of stuff that I wanted to do for the car that's gonna get pushed back. I'm not gonna let this stop me though. I wanna tear up a little bit, but this ain't nothing crazy. Could be worse, and I'm not the type to complain, and most problems and things I keep to myself. So this is just one of them things I feel like I had to share. So if y'all wondering, hey, why you not posting content right now, it's because my baby is down, man, and I'm gonna do what I can do to get this boy back up and running, and we're gonna have the time of our life. And honestly, I'm excited, so I'm not gonna let this ruin what I have going on. And I hope that y'all understand. If y'all go through anything, just know that man upstairs got you. All right, God got you, and you got you. So don't be ready to give up. It's worst things that can happen. Just be thankful that you still alive, you still kicking, and man, just be thankful, man, for everything, because these things happen for a reason. Now look, I could be mad. I can sit in this car angry. I let out whatever little frustration I had before I picked up this camera. And right now, talking to y'all is the best relief that I possibly can have. So right now, I'm actually relieved, and I'm feeling way better getting what's going on off of my chest instead of holding it in. Because most people don't have nobody to talk to. And I'm not going to sit and say I don't, but it's very few amount of people that actually sit back and talk to. And I'm happy that one of those people is y'all. Y'all sit back and listen. And I love that y'all engaged too. So what we going to do, man, is see what happens, man. We're going to get this boy towed and see what shop can check this car out, man. And we're going to have it towed to that shop too. So it's some crazy work, man. But we're going to get it out and get it together, man. Love and appreciate y'all. Off into the next clip. Get back at it, man. Mug getting told, man. Said he got me. This Lord can't go on a neutral. There's so much going on right now, man. He probably got to juggle this bad boy. Look at you. You can see it's covered in nothing but oil. You can smell all the differential fluid. Better that than the trans, man. But we still gonna have to get this car checked out. Like I said, I'm not even complaining about it. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Shit could be worse. We here, man. We here. We alive. That mug stopped and my car was still rolling. I was able to pull over, so I'm not complaining, man. Said he can smell the differential burning. I kind of smell it too. I'm pretty sure he know a little bit better than me though. Damn, man, hurt my heart. I ain't gonna lie, she still look like sitting up there though. You can't say they ain't got a good look at Colville. I still gotta take the wrap off right here. We're gonna end up taking all this wrap off and getting it rewrapped, man. I'm gonna take the tutorial and probably do a YouTube video doing that. I don't know, it depends on how I go. But man, take a look, like, look at this. Overly blue, bro. I'm definitely finna get the eye-dot back for this, man.
The next day.
This is you let me know if you're gonna call, and I'll see you tomorrow. I want to meet you in person, and I want you to see what the problem is, okay? Don't think you're gonna make it.
Back to getting it towed again for the 200,000th time. Right now, we're working neutral under its own power. I can still push it, even though he put the differential in. So I don't know, the transmission gotta be stuck in neutral. It just ain't no way, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna figure out what's going on. We're gonna figure out if security did something or whatever the case is. Hopefully it ain't nothing too crazy. Right now, messing with Mopar, bro, I don't know. Cause I ain't never had this many problems with GM. I might switch. I'll let y'all know what's going on, man. In the next clip, whether it be the next day or whatever the case is, man, we're gonna figure this stuff out together, man.
So this is what I'm at. We're working a couple hours this morning. We don't get much, so I tell them to stop. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not gonna concentrate on working in your car the whole day because you get charged a ton of money. But we know we're at 2 hours, 3 hours a day, and this is how we get you a good deal.
So basically, he was trying to tell me that it's the body control module that was having problems and that he wants to keep the car in to get more hours and charge me more to tell me to check the wiring and all this other stuff. I was like, man, I'm gonna need to take my car out, man. I had it in my mind as soon as I got off of work to take my car out. And I'm glad I did the right thing. And y'all will see in the next video that the car is actually starting and it's working and it's nothing to what he was talking about.
So you say you think that somebody tried to steal it?
Duh!
They broke the window. Right I see the broken window, yes. That's different than what did they done. We gotta find out if they cut the wires or what did it happen.
Mind you, I told him. He talked about you got to see if they cut the wires. Mind you, I told them that no wires was touched. I told him what the guy who installed my stuff is because I called him. I told him exactly what he said. Oh, it's a possibility that they made a new key. So I told him this. The reason why it's still in that shop at that point before all this was because he said all you had to do is reprogram the key. Now you're trying to add extra stuff? Come on, man. So I got that car up out of there. If y'all don't want to listen to the rest, I'll put a timestamp and y'all can skip this. But that just don't make no sense, man. You literally sat on my face, try to lie, and then get this money out of me. This is sad.
Because this computer don't lose communication just for no reason. Something is happening.
I have the guy who did the security system look at it. He said the kill switch itself might still be active.
The kill switch? What is a kill switch? Because we checked the security system and we got this computer, we checked all that. And it's not that. This computer's not talking.
It was at this point now where I'm starting to realize that you just running your mouth and don't know what you're talking about. Especially after I told you what was going on with the car. I'm not slow, gang. So there was a problem with the body control module or whatever the case is. The car wouldn't unlock. The lights wouldn't work properly. All that stuff was working properly. You pull out this computer and tell me that it can't communicate with anything, but when I take it to a different shop, they're able to call a locksmith. They're able to connect to the PCM. They're able to connect to the BCM. So what did they do different that you couldn't do? They didn't lie to me.
It's not an issue with the transponders, the key of the issues with the, what do they call, the immobilizer? Immobilizer for the, they call the keypads. The system of the key, this is intact, this is good. It's the BCM, it's not communicating.
How much are we at right now?
Right now, you only do diagnosis and whatever I tell you for the
Won't believe what happened again, man. Just can't win for losing, man. They done broke into the baby. They tried to strike my shit, man. Those who have never in their life been to a junkyard, welcome. This is where you get all your discount parts. What is you talking about, nigga? So look, guys, I'm gonna end the video here, but make sure y'all check out the next video to see what happens next. I'll post a mini trailer or something, you know what I'm saying, for the guys who are still watching. But as soon as I got my car back home, all in this same time, somebody decided they wanted to break into it. So the next video will consist of that. And pretty much is that road to getting it fixed. Right now it's currently fixed. I'm just editing the video a little late because I wanted to make sure I got as much content that I can for y'all. Y'all love and appreciate y'all, man. I hope to see y'all again in the next video, man. Deuces. It's your boy J3 and I'm out, man. Love.